Albatross. Ride the Hikari 591, which stops too many stations.
I am at Hiroshima Station. Today I will take the Hikari 591, which has too many stops. Good morning, I'm Albatross. Previously, I introduced the Hikari 500 bound for Tokyo as a Hikari with too many stops, but this time the Hikari 591 is bound for Hakata. This time, I will use these paper tickets. Let's go through the Shinkansen ticket gate.
Welcome to the Shinkansen. The Super Express Hikari 591 departing at 8 o'clock, bound for Hakata, is arriving at track 12. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 16 cars. Car 1 is at the front of the train, and car 16 is at the rear. Cars 8, 9, and 10 are the green cars, for passengers holding green car seat reservations. Cars 1 through 6, 15, and 16 are for passengers without seat reservations. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at every station before arriving at Shin-Yamaguchi. After leaving Shin-Yamaguchi, this train will be stopping at Shin-Shimonoseki and Kokura before arriving at Hakata Terminal. Thank you.
The Hikari 591 is arriving at Hiroshima Station. The stations where this train will stop were announced earlier, but the only station it passes through between Hiroshima Station and the Hakata Terminal is Asa Station. I think only few people notice Asa Station. It is located between Shin-Yamaguchi Station and Shin-Shimonoseki Station. It is not used by many people, but it is connected to a conventional line. The Hikari 591 started from Shin Osaka, but it only passes through Shin Onamichi and Asa stations. It stops at almost every station. The Hikari 591 has never been overtaken by a following train since it departed from Shin Osaka, but it will be overtaken here at Hiroshima Station by the Sakura 541 bound for Kagoshima Chuo. Since only few Hikari run on the Sanyo Shinkansen, the Sakura act as the Hikari on the Sanyo Shinkansen. The reserved seats on the Sakura and Mizuo of the Kyushu Shinkansen are 2+2 seats. If you want to reserve a seat in the Sanyo Shinkansen area, I recommend using the Kyushu Shinkansen or the Sanyo Shinkansen's Kodama. Both are comfortable with 2+2 seats. Along with the departure melody of the Galaxy Express 999, the Sakura 541, which came later, departs from Hiroshima Station, leaving the Hikari 591, which arrived first. Here in car number 14, there are reserved seats. It's almost empty. The features of the Hikari 591 are: it stops almost all stations, so it is almost Kodama, it is overtaken only once, so it is almost Nozomi. The Hikari 591 gets to Hakata only about 10 minutes later than the Sakura 541.
お待たせいたしました。まもなく発車いたします。次は新岩国です。
Earlier, you said that the Sakura is recommended if someone uses a reserved seat on the Sanyo Shinkansen.
Oh, Jay. Today, I'm going to see the JR Freight Festival in Shimonoseki commemorating the 150th anniversary of freight transportation. The Sakura doesn't stop at Shin-Shimonoseki.
Why didn't you take the Sakura 541 to Kokura Station and then take a local train back to Shimonoseki? You have to take a local train from Shin-Shimonoseki Station to Shimonoseki Station anyway, right?
The travel time is the same, but if I turn back from Kokura, the fare will be more expensive.
What are you talking about? You are always wasting the transportation expenses for no reason. You just want to ride the Hikari 591, right?
Yes, you are right. Leave Jay alone and let's continue. Afterward, the chime sounds and the announcement is played. If you take the Nozomi from the Tokaido to the Sanyo Shinkansen lines, or vice versa, you would hear, "Thank you for using the Shinkansen." Because the train runs on both JR Tokai and JR West lines. However, since this Hikari runs only on the Sanyo Shinkansen, "Thank you for using JR West" will be heard. Soon, the chime will sound, and the announcement will be made. Please listen carefully.
JR 西日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この電車は光号博多行きです。途中の停車駅は新岩国、徳山、新山口、新下関、小倉です。
If I took the Sakura 541, which departed earlier than us, I would have heard a chime melody composed by Minoru Mukaya and, "Thank you for using the Shinkansen." This is because the train runs on the JR West Japan and JR Kyushu lines.
We're here.
We are approaching Shin-Iwakuni Station, but we are running through a mountainous area that makes it hard to believe that there is a Shinkansen station. Shin-Iwakuni Station opened in 1975 with the extension of the Sanyo Shinkansen from Okayama to Hakata. Conventional lines are not connected here. However, Seiryu Shin-Iwakuni Station on Nishikigawa-Seiryu Line, a third-sector railroad company, is 300 meters away. You can see the track on the ground, but it is not a conventional line. Shin-Iwakuni Station is a track maintenance base as well. From the area where we passed earlier, the storage line on the ground level diverges from the main line. It seems that there are several passengers boarding from this station. The Hikari 591 leaves Shin-Iwakuni Station. Kintai-kyo Bridge is a 15-minute bus ride from this station. It is said that this bridge, which consists of 5 arches, was built without using a single nail. If you cross the bridge and take the cable car up the mountain, you can reach Iwakuni Castle. Shinkansen cars are parked on the ground.
We're here.
We will soon make a brief stop at Tokuyama. The exit will be on the left side of the train. Passengers going to the Sanyo and Gantoku lines, please change trains here at Tokuyama. Thank you.
We are approaching Tokuyama Station. Unlike Shin-Iwakuni, Tokuyama is a rather big city. Tokuyama Station is the central station of Shunan City. It opened in 1897 as a Sanyo railway station, and after nationalization, it became a JR West station. At the time of its opening, this station was located in Tokuyama City, but in 2003, it merged with the surrounding municipalities and became Shunan City. The Shinkansen line opened in 1975. Tokuyama Station is served by the Sanyo Shinkansen and the Sanyo Main Line.
The Gantoku line too, right?
The Gantoku line joins the Sanyo Main Line at Kushigahama Station, east of Tokuyama Station.
But trains on the Gantoku line come to Tokuyama Station, right?
All Gantoku line trains run into Tokuyama Station, but there are no electrically driven trains on the Gantoku line. All of them are diesel trains.
You don't have to distinguish between electrically driven trains and diesel trains. Ordinary people don't care.
But I care about the difference. Anyway, let me continue. The Shunan Industrial Complex spreads out on the Seto inland seaside and is a famous site along the Sanyo Shinkansen line. The Shunan Industrial Complex began when the Japanese Imperial Navy's coal fuel base was established in the Meiji era. The Hikari 591 departs from Tokuyama Station. Even Nozomi that passes through Tokuyama Station slow down considerably before Tokuyama Station. Nozomi don't slow down very much at other stations. Let me explain why. Because the Shinkansen station was forcibly installed at Tokuyama Station on the conventional line, the curve became tight. It seems that there was a plan to set up a new Tokuyama station, but due to strong opposition from Tokuyama citizens, the Shinkansen station was built at the conventional line station.
We're here.
We are approaching Shin-Yamaguchi Station. Shin-Yamaguchi Station opened in Ogori Village in 1900 as Ogori Station on the Sanyo Railway Company. After nationalization, it became a JR West station. In 1975, the Shinkansen opened. In 2003, the name of the station was changed to Shin-Yamaguchi Station, and some Nozomi began to stop at this station. In 2005, Ogori Town became part of Yamaguchi City. Now only few people know that this station was once called Ogori Station. Shin-Yamaguchi Station is served by the Sanyo Shinkansen, Sanyo Main Line, Yamaguchi Line, and Ube Line. Yamaguchi Line runs a sightseeing train called SL Yamaguchi. Unfortunately, the steam locomotive is currently being repaired and a diesel locomotive is hauling the carriages. The Hikari 591 departs from Shin-Yamaguchi Station. The next stop is Shin-Shimonoseki, but before that, we will pass through Asa Station for the first and last time. Asa Station opened in 1900 as a Sanyo railway station. Sanyo Shinkansen, Sanyo Main Line, and Mine Line are available.
Albatross, do you know what a turntable is?
Of course I do. Don't bother me. Oops.
Yes, Shin-Yamaguchi Station has a turntable. You should have been able to see it from the window on the right before entering Shin-Yamaguchi Station.
Well, thanks, Jay.
光591号博多行きです。次は新下関です。お出口は左側。8時53分に着きます。
We're here.
We will soon pass through Asa Station. It's just a moment.
We're here.
We will be stopping at Shin-Shimonoseki Station. The doors on the left side will open. Thank you.
I have arrived at Shin-Shimonoseki Station. Shin-Shimonoseki Station opened in 1901 as Ichi-no-miya Station on the Sanyo Railway. After being nationalized, it became a JR West station. After that, it was renamed Nagato Ichi-no-miya Station, but in 1975, with the opening of the Sanyo Shinkansen, it was renamed Shin-Shimonoseki Station. This time, I introduced the Hikari 591. How did you like it? I would like to end this video while seeing off the Hikari 591 going to Kokura. Thank you for watching my video. That's it from Albatross NJ. This channel mainly deals with videos about travel and railroads. If you like such topics, please subscribe to my channel.
なお、同じ内容で日本語版の動画もご用意しておりますので、概要欄からご視聴ください。
See you in the next video.